Howdy and welcome to another excruciating episode of Making Chips, brought to you by Sierra Steel Guitars. I'm Ross Shafer, your host. Let's get going. Today, we are making cross shafts for some 10-string steel guitars. I got 35 pieces of this stainless steel. We're going to face one end. We're going to spot drill that end. Then we're going to drill about 1 3/8 inch deep hole with drill is just under 1/4 inch. And then we're going to ream it so that the pin that lives in there slides in nicely, just like it's supposed to. Let's make some chips. So we do just a quick little facing here. And I move in with the spot drill. Now in this situation, it's easier for me just to swap tools than it is to pull the part out and do the same operation on part by part. Put the drill in there as well. In a perfect world, I'd be running different speeds for all these operations, but in the name of expediency and laziness, I'm just using one speed that's determined by the reamer in this case. Works fine for everything. Back the drill out. I got to do the same peck drilling thing we do on the mill. Otherwise the drill heats up and gets choked by all its own chips. Takes a little while. It's one of those things you kind of get into a rhythm of it and just ponder life's big questions while you drill, baby, drill. Coming up on it. One more little go at it and we're good. Ah. Now, you pop this reamer in there. Clean that hole out the last few thousandths so it fits the pin really nicely. Let's check it. Look at that. Ooh, yeah, baby. I likes it. Okay, so now I gotta finish this one end on all the parts, and then we flip it around, cut it to length, do all these same operations, and then there's yet another operation after that. Of course. See you in a few minutes. Well, we've got all these babies drilled on both ends. They're faced, they're cut to the exact length. All the holes are reamed, so we have this really nice sliding fit of our pin. Now the last thing we gotta do is cut some access slots so that we can get an Allen wrench through there to tighten the set screws that set these pins in position. That's a little tiny slot, it's just a hair over 3/32 of an inch. We'll be cutting it with that end mill right there. You can see that's a pretty small end mill. There's my finger. Look how small that thing is. 3/32 of an inch. They break really easy, so we go nice and slow. Got some in the machine. Let's check it out. Yahoo! All the slots are done. We have access for our Allen wrench to get in there and tighten the pin up so it's right where we want it to be. We can adjust these pins so that you can adjust the end play on your cross shafts very easily. Another part bites the dust. On to the next one. Thanks a lot for joining us for this episode of Making Chips. I hope you're enjoying the videos. I'm sure happy that some of you are leaving comments and whatnot. See you next time.